Use this just twice a week and you might be shocked at how fast your hair will start growing. If your hair has been stuck, breaking, or your edges are thinning, this one powerful natural ingredient can actually wake up your hair follicles. And the crazy part is most people are using it completely wrong. Hi my beautiful families, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Glory Kelechi and I help you grow your hair natural using powerful home remedies that actually work. In today's video, we are diving deep into the science of ginger for hair growth, what it really does to your scalp, why it works, and how to use it correctly just twice weekly for real results. Ginger contains a powerful compound called gingerol. This is what creates that warming feeling on your scalp. Now listen carefully. When you apply ginger on your hair, it increases blood circulation to your scalp. It delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. It strengthens your roots from deep within in. And when your follicles are properly filled, your hair grows faster, thicker, and stronger. But here is where it gets even more interesting. Ginger does not just improve circulation, it helps wake up dormant hair follicles, those areas where your hair is not growing, your edges, your tiny spots. This is how they will slowly start coming back alive. That is why people who use this consistent notice their hair becoming fuller over time. And if your scalp is not healthy, your hair will not grow. That is honestly truth, okay? So ginger helps to reduce dandruff, calm itchiness, fight scalp infection, clean block follicles. So now your scalp become the perfect environment for hair growth. Now this is very important. A lot of people try ginger and they say it does not work, but the truth is they use it every day. They apply it too strong or they do not stay consistent. Ginger is powerful. If you do not use it correctly, it can irritate your scalp instead of helping it to grow. So that is why the correct method matters a lot. Now let me explain how I prepare this ginger recipe, okay? So now what I did is to wash my ginger thoroughly, then I dice it together with the skin. You can choose to peel off the skin. After slicing it together with the skin, the next thing I do is to transfer it to my blender. Then I add water. The water I add is equivalent like 1/4 cup of water, okay? So the amount of water you add depends on how quantity your ginger is, but make sure you add a reasonable water to it, okay? It's very important. After adding the water, then I went off camera to blend it. After blending it, then I bring my shifter and a bowl to collect my juice. What we need is the ginger juice. So the next thing you must do after extracting out the ginger juice is to add your oil. You can add coconut oil or olive oil or your homemade oil. So what I use is my DIY hair growth oil I make at home. So if you have any of your hair growth oil, just use 1 or 2 tablespoons of the oil. You are good to go. Then mix it properly together with the ginger juice. Then it's ready to be used. Now the most important thing again is how to apply this on your hair. Let me show you the best way to use this so that you can grow your hair in a very short period of time and use it the right way so that you will not damage your hair. Please pay close attention. This part is very important. Now listen carefully. If you want to get good results with this particular recipe and if you want to use it the right way to grow your hair 10 times faster, your focus should be on your scalp. Apply this directly on your scalp, not on your hair strands, please. And once you apply it, make sure you massage your scalp like 3 to 5 minutes. It's very important. After massaging your scalp, make sure you apply this particular recipe all over your scalp apply it very well, both on your problem areas, your nipple, your cross section, your edges, any of your problem area you want to regrow. Please focus this particular recipe on that area. Okay, then massage your scalp. Do not skip scalp massage. It's very, very important. Then after applying it generously and massaging your scalp, the next thing you must do is to cover up your hair. Cover up your hair. Allow your hair to steam for 30 to 35 minutes. Then go ahead and rinse it off. I did not say wash it off. I say rinse it off with water. Rinse it off thoroughly with room temperature water. Okay, so after doing that, immediately follow up with your leave-in conditioner. Is very, very important. Okay, make sure you moisturize your hair very well. Okay, so doing this consistent, you will never ever regret it. Okay, and this is another important thing. This is where people get it wrong, using it too often. So the best time to use this is to use it only twice weekly. Don't use it more than 2 times in a week, please. Okay, do not use it every day. Do not use 3 times in a week. Do not use it 4 times in a week. Use it only 2 times in a week. Okay, this is where most people are getting it wrong. Okay, and this can also be the reason why they are not seeing results and why this recipe is giving them scalp irritation instead of helping their hair to grow. So if you can follow the full instruction I give to you in this video, you will never regret trying this particular recipe. Okay, growing your hair don't need to break the bank. Those simple ingredients in your kitchen, if you know the right way to use them and the right way to prepare it, I kid you not, you will grow your hair without spending thousands of money. Okay, so natural remedies are the best. Okay, they are more economical, they are more safer to try, and they are more potent. I'm not capping, I'm giving the honest truth. Okay, just be patient and use them the right way. You will never ever regret it. So remember, if you want to get real results, if you want to get faster results, just be consistent, because consistent is the secret of this recipe. Don't use it once in a week and you expect the magic to happen. Just try to be consistent. Okay, from 1 week to 5 weeks time, you will definitely see very, very huge difference on your hair. Okay, a trial will convince you. I'm not capping, I'm telling the honest truth about this recipe. And please, if you have tried this recipe before, please share your result with us in comment section below. Okay, I would love to hear from you. Okay, so if your hair has been struggling to grow, now I will encourage you to start using this twice weekly and you will see the difference on yourself. I'm not capping. Okay, the result is the real. Okay, so when you try it, make sure you come back and give me your result. I always like to hear your progress. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys find this video very helpful. If there's anything I did not cover up, please feel free to let me know in comment section below. Okay, I love you guys so much. Please do wait to like this video, subscribe and share this video to your more family and friends. Okay, and for those that struggle with stagnant growth, okay, because this recipe will help you to grow your hair. Okay, so guys, see you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. Remain blessed out there. Bye.